days of the week, हफ्ते के दिन. Monday, पीर, Tuesday, मंगल. Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. We take a bath every day. We take a bath every day. Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Booth. Thursday, Jumeirah. Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday. We eat every day. We eat every day. Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Juma. Saturday, Shanichar. Friday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday. We study every day. We study every day. Friday, Saturday. Sunday, इतवार. Sunday, Sunday. We play every day. We play every day. Sunday, Sunday.